Hi, tutor and, and college activity 4 speaking task. This recording of the video of Fast 2, Unit 1.1 Compute Adjectives. Answer the following question. You are looking for an apartment to rent. The realtor asking you the following questions. Question 1. Which apartment do you like better, the 4-room or the 5-room? I like 5-room apartment so that I have enough space for me furniture. Mm, Question 2, do you prefer that neighborhood? I prefer this neighborhood so that my children attend a better school. Question 3, what do you want wooden floors for? I want wooden floors to work without shoes inside the apartment. Question 4, do you want a screen patio or a pool? I want a pool to do partying on weekends. Question 5, would you prefer a lakefront unit? The view is nicer. They are also more expensive. I would prefer a lakefront unit with a view nicer. I know it's more expensive, but so that my wife like it. Unit 2.3 present perfect versus simple past. Situation 1. Tell us about a situation in your life that started some time ago and continues to happen. Then tell us about another situation which does not continue to happen now. I have um, I have been studying industrial engineering at the UNAT for 2.5 years. I am about to finish. I worked for the construction company Melendez 5 years ago. I was an inspector of industrial safety. Situation 2, do the same with two situations which occurred to another picture, another person. Tell about what happened to your mother or father and friends or civil or relative. My daughter has been working for an industrial safety training company for 7 months. My brother Carlos lived in Spain for 10 years, now lives here in Cali, Colombia. Situation 3, do the same with two situations which occurred to other people. Talk about happiness to a group of people like your classmates, your friends, or etc. My friends, the Muñoz has been building their house since January. They've lived in very small house for a long time. Okay, that is all. I share the link in the forum. Thank you.